daily ones because all these other liquidity levels are the same. If anything, this has just been proven, and we're in the process of really solidifying this one right here. So we don't need to necessarily go through the daily on all of that. I think that we can just go right over to the 15 minutes, look at the last 2 days. Most of our liquidity levels are way, way, way up there. My screen shouldn't be nothing.
Sir, we are running out of levels.
Yeah, my screen should definitely not be nothing. I know that that's something that a few other people had to deal with, so just leave and come back in. Unfortunately, don't have a better way to do it for you. It is an issue on Discord's end. So, yeah, don't have a better way to deal with that. But yeah, we are running out of levels. We are running out of levels on the downside. Because, we're not going to look back to September of last year. That's really far. Occasionally we'll look at October, but even then not really. Right? Not a lot. We don't look over there often. So, if we do get some more downside momentum, I'm expecting any kind of move where we're breaking, like truly breaking the range. I expect that to be quick. Like that is going to be a fast move that if you're not positioned ahead of time, you're gonna have to chase it. Right? If you want a piece of that, you're gonna have to chase it, which is totally fine. Totally fine. And that's not to say like, hey, you should start a short swing right now. Like I don't think that that's the solution either. I think that we wait for that decisive move. But I have a feeling that we are going to get some really crazy opening candles as all of the orders from Asia and London session are cleared and settled. I think that we're going to get some really crazy moves. Okay. I'm just kind of edging on the bottom of this range here. I want to see how we react to this liquidity level. Because that is going to tell us quite a bit. Can we break out? Can we break down? No? I guess not yet. Let's turn on our heat map, our custom built heat map. And again, if you guys want to, Discord is not working for you guys. It's glitchy this morning. You know what? Let me try this. Give me just a sec.
Alright, he's gone full port now.
Do it. Yeah. All right, let's try now. Let's see if this fixes it for you guys. we're not sitting in any active trade, so we can spend a second to do that. Okay. Cool. Looks like it's working.
It's not for me, it's not loading anymore.
Is it really not?
No. Error 2012.
This is stupid. What the hell, Discord? Well, you guys can always check it out. Also, for whatever reason, Discord's not working. You could check it out on the YouTube. Okay, so Garrick said that he had the same issue. He restarted his desktop and it came in fine afterwards. We are getting some big draws on liquidity to the upside right now on NASDAQ as we sit between the point of control and the value area low and right here at one of these, you know, really, really low liquidity levels. So let's see what happens here. We are running into a lot of sell pressure right here. Lot of sell pressure right there. And we'll turn on our heat map for the US 30. Oil's still chugging along. Oh, is this the moment where they can break above the point of control and hold it? Nope. Yeah, yep. Okay, that's definitely interesting. Kind of want to see what happens with that. Might have a little bit of a trade that's possible to take there. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. This moves a lot cleaner on US 30 than it is on NASDAQ right now. We'll see if any of it works out. Still haven't quite broken out yet on either of them, so, you know, just kind of wait for that break of structure. Right now we are sitting within that structure. Yeah, there is a bit of a delay on YouTube, so, you know, we make sure that's the whole reason that we do it here for you guys as well.
Where is our announcement boy?
That is such a fantastic question. You guys can't see it, but Icarus is fucking with Swazzle right now. Okay, can we get a breakout? See all of this consolidation, right? All of this consolidation that's happening down here. This is just amassing liquidity for a move. Right? This is the way that you essentially gather liquidity and get ready to use other people's money to make the move for you. Okay, which is something that Wall Street is very good at doing. They're very good at doing it. Edging right on a breakout for US 30 as well. We're so close. We just need a little bit more. Well, this might be it. Let's get a little confirmation of direction.
Good morning, unnamed.
Yes, good morning, good morning. And what a good morning it is.
Depends for who.
Take it small long US 30 here.
What?
Yeah. I'm in. In at 9:15. This is a very small position. I'm going to have a very small stop, or a very tight stop, right down here at 900.
Exactly, over. You know what's up.
I see the breakout. I want to trade the breakout. I want to trade the breakout. That's all there is to it. I see it. I want it.
Nah, you wanna violate your rule book.
I did a little bit, but you know what? That's okay. Today it's okay.
That's just learning money.
It's not burning money. I'm up. You motherfucker. Okay, now I'm down. Okay, now I'm up. Things can change very, very quickly. No, we've been holding this value area high so far. So that's been
Are we?
you know, a little bullish to me.
No, you're gonna get a candle of doom and your stop is not getting triggered.
Don't you put that voodoo on me, Ricky Bobby. Don't you put that voodoo on me. That is not cool, man. It's not cool. Okay, stop to break even. 9:15. Stop to break even. If you're in this trade, set your stop to break even. Oh my gosh, we could even set it a little bit higher. Let's go to 925. Let's go to 925. Which is a little bit better than break even. And that's pretty sick. Okay, that's pretty cool. Do kids still say sick? Is that a thing that kids say? We said that when I was a kid. I don't know. I don't know anymore, man.
But you're also old.
You're fucking old. Fuck you. I'm not old. You don't tell me that. Okay, you're old.
I'm not.
You are.
I'm only 45.
Oof. Big oof. Maximum oof. Kids say sex? Yeah, I'd rather. Yeah, I don't know about that. They say sex, like, oh, that's good. They say sex, like that's that. I don't even know. I don't even know how to respond to that. Like,
completely flabbergasted.
Like, I'm proud of you. Is that the right response? If someone says that, you just say, I'm proud of you. Is that it? I'm going to move this stop up. I'm going to move it up to 35. we're tightening it up, and that is simply because I want to make sure that I'm walking away with some nice gains from this, and I am seeing quite a bit of bullish momentum start to build up here. So that's given me a little bit of reassurance, you know, that I'm on the right track. And you know, we're just chilling. We're just chilling. All right, so make sure your stops are moved up. If anything, you can move your stop up to 45 now, probably. Just trail it manually, right? Make sure that we are getting this move. So far with our stop up at 945, that would be a $30 move on US 30. So we're looking pretty good for a pre-market trade here. We're looking pretty good. Could expect a potential reversal just a little higher than where we are. So we want to make sure.
$35 move?
Mm-hmm.
A $35 move? Isn't it already bigger?
Well, now it is. But the stop was at 35.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, the stop was at 35. I just moved the stop to 950. Which is about to get hit. Oh, it did get hit. Oh, I'm stopped out. Stopped out at 950. That's totally fine.
Awesome.
I'd be seeking to take gains here with this big wick to the upside. Just be cautious. Just be cautious. Hey, look at that. That worked. Market hasn't even fucking opened yet. Stu said he's just gonna long it now. Word. Yeah, pre-market trade is crazy. But you know what? Sometimes you have to be a little crazy in this world.
Damn.
No, we pretty much fucking nailed that, right? From the breakout to exiting up here at what appears to be the top. So again, if you guys are still in that, why you shouldn't be, so get out of that trade. You're still up, like, get out. And if you're not in that anymore, great job. You missed the entry. That's probably for the best.
I just didn't take it because it is pre-market.
Yeah, that's understandable too. I mean, you know, you didn't want to take it in pre-market, then, you know, don't take it in pre-market. I just saw the opportunity, which I normally don't see the opportunity super clear pre-market. So when I saw it, I wanted to take advantage, right? And find opportunity wherever we can get it. Beg the market makers, please, sir, please, can I have some movement? Can I have some more? Please, Mr. Market Maker.
I can't stop winning.
Please help me. I'm running out of places to put all these dollars.
Oh no, my lobster is too buttery and my steak is too juicy.
My lobster too buttery. Fucking Eastmore coming in hot, dude. He said it's okay to be a pussy. No one's gonna judge you. Oof. Oof. That's fucking great. Okay, let's see how NASDAQ reacts to this point of control.
Awful.
That is ugly so far. That is quite ugly. Quite ugly. But you know what? We already had one banger trade today. So let's get some more. Fucking VIX has gone through the roof. VIX sitting at 3177. Damn, son. That's wild. That's wild. Lots of institutions piling into VIX right now. Make sure that they're hedged for whatever fucking craziness happens today.
Remember what I told you about in November, somewhere in mid-November, about the VIX getting a huge ass push to the upside?
Yeah.
I was right.
Yes. Oh, that is such a fantastic question. I don't even know how to pronounce your name. What is it? AKA Waxy? Can we just do that? You got a cross for your name. I don't want to just call you Cross. Does anyone know that answer on what app has less spread, TradeC or Motion Wave? I don't know shit about either of those.
To be honest, doesn't spread depend on the broker you're using?
Probably.
How greedy they are.
Yes, probably. US 30 starting to break out again. Let's see if it can actually break out, or if this gets stopped out right here.
Don't.
I'm watching, I said. You okay?
I'm just saying.
You stop. Taking small NASDAQ long here.
NASDAQ long?
Mm-hmm.
I thought you was watching US 30 a minute ago.
I was, but then I looked at NASDAQ and I'm like, this fucking breakout is crazy. All right, I'm filled 395. Let's go. I'm going to set my stop right here at 385. We're going to take tiny risk today, okay? Tiny risk. And I understand, everyone, gets so much more excited about seeing these big gambles. But, at the end of the day, I'm here to teach you guys how to actually fucking do this, right? Not here to be the subject of a meme, right? We can meme about everything else. We can make tons of fucking jokes about everything else. But when it comes to trading, get your game face on. Get your game face on. All right, stopped out. That's okay. Little $10 move against me. I'm out. I'm done.
Get wrecked.
Yeah, not really. I mean, when we're looking at the when we are looking at the the totality of today, not really. These looking pretty good.
Oh shit! It's dumping. It's $10 down.
Oh my god, it's so over. Cancel Christmas. Cancel the birthdays. Cancel dessert. We're back to eating fucking bread and broth. Not even soup, just broth.
Just munching on some straight up cardboard.
Cardboard? What? Domino's pizza?
Yeah.
The Domino's pizza is cardboard. But everyone's birthday is canceled now, Everyone. Yeah,
Lucky
we went, sorry,
already.
NASDAQ went down $10. Everyone's birthday is canceled. Okay. What do we got happening? I feel like this could be such a big rug pull. at open. Again, like we'll wait for that to start happening, but I think it's coming.
Yeah, it most likely is. The other thing that I could also see is like that we go up and fill the gap and then just
Tank
burn
from
straight
there.
up down.
Yep. Yep, I can see that too. Both of those things seem very likely. Obviously, only one. What do you mean by what are my risk factors and do they change? Are you saying like what is the max risk that I take on? Because I would say that is more of a question that would be unique to each trader. Right?
I might be right back.
So if you have, let's say, for instance, Stu, okay, let's say that you have a $50,000 account. Your risk is going to be a lot lower than somebody who has a $150,000 account, right? Because they have triple the account. So naturally, you are going to have, you're going to take on less risk, right? It might be the same percentage of your guys' accounts, but whatever risk they take on, if it's that same percentage, it's going to be triple what you take on, right? Now, as far as like the ratio that I'm seeking, I'm normally looking for at least a 2-for-1, right? I want to risk a $20 move to the downside to get a $40 move to the upside, right? That's what we're looking for, and we could generally get that just by waiting to position correctly. Does that answer your question, Stu? 0.5% of your account size makes sense. Sometimes maybe even a little bit lower, right? You could even do like 0.03 or 0.25. If you really have to get defensive about it. Like we do not want to take super heavy trades when we're sitting here scalping and just working solely off of technical analysis and common sense, right? Like position sizing is incredibly important. It's where a lot of people fuck up, I think, right? I think a lot of people fuck up because they get too greedy and they just want money, right? So they end up getting a massive position size that they can't handle, and then it moves a little bit against them, and boom, now you're stopped out at a massive loss even before the real move actually happens, right? What are we thinking for the day and the week, you say? What are we thinking for the day and the week? Well, for the day, I think that we're either going to rug pull right back down, or we're going to travel up and fill the gap on the daily that was left last night, and then tank from there. As far as the week, it's really hard to say, right? It's gonna kind of it's a little bit up in the air, right? Because again, we could kind of just fuck around at the bottom of this range, but we could also break down. And if we break down out of the current daily range that we've had, right? Not shown here. I'll show you though. If we break down out of this daily range, I guess actually on US 30 we already have, right? But if we break down any further, then we are looking at a quick drop right back down to here, right back down to this 45,691. And if support fails to hold there, then the only thing we have to go off of is like the prior lows right there, and there, right? So this drop would be like catastrophic and super fucking quick, and it would throw off all of the risk models of institutions. So you would see massive liquidations and massive de-hedging of positions. So essentially just a ton of volatility, right? A ton of volatility, a big decisive drop. So as far as, you know, what I'm thinking for today or this week, my answer, of course, is I don't know, right? I don't know. I'm obviously leaning very bearish, but I'm not going to commit to it until I see confirmation. You always want to wait and make sure that you see confirmation before you're taking a position, right? Or before you're deciding to take a swing or trying to trade any kind of trend, right? You wait for confirmation. Good morning, Aspect. Welcome in, brother. Yeah, we always want to wait for confirmation. So regardless of what happens, right, we're going to be waiting for that move to begin. And that is one of the things that keeps us safe, right? Survival is the number one goal that you have as a trader. That's your first goal. Your first job is to observe and watch and react. But your first goal is to survive. Because if you can manage to survive and place smart trades, then you know, you're going to be doing great. You're going to be doing great. And just like Cook says, goal. That was for all of the soccer / you know, football fans. That, you know, whatever you guys call it. I got what is it for you, Icarus? Foosball?
Yeah,
Is
foosball.
it foosball? With your little
Yeah.
foos? Your little foos on the ball? Little foosball?
This sounds kinda, I don't know.
Hey man, you know, you said it, not me.
No.
No,
You said it
bro.
first.
You said it. You got your little foos on the ball, bro.
All right, anyone in the stream, please clip it.
Flip it. No, you did not. You did not. The only thing you missed was a really sick pre-market trade and then a not as sick pre-market trade, but we managed our risk very well. So we came out very ahead on that, and we are going into market open green. So it's not a big deal. You just missed out on money. Okay. Oh shit, John Wick in the house. What's up? We also talked a little bit more about oil, but seeing as though you're a warrior, you did get to hear all about oil before it made this big move. You remember when it was like 70 and I was telling you guys it's going to go to 100, and then it fucking went to 100, and now everyone's like, yay, oh my god, oil. How would we ever have known? By listening?
You're a wizard, Harry.
Little bit of common sense, right? A little bit of common sense told you oil was going to 100.
Man, this market is boring.
It's pre-market. Give it a second. I think New York Open's gonna be plenty fucking exciting for us. Okay.
All right, then go grab your coffee. It's time.
Oh shit! It is time. It is time. Okay, I'm just gonna leave my chart on NASDAQ for you guys, and I will be right back because I need to wake the fuck up. It is early as hell here. Just a moment.
All right. So, what are your guys' plans? It's currently about 2:30 p.m. for me, Stu. By the way, I haven't said it yet, but gold looks absolutely ugly. So if anyone has any intention of trading gold today, I would be looking at shorts heavily. Simply because the delta and the overall support of gold is pretty fragile and most likely to break. So I would definitely take a look at gold and, if anything, short that. Worst, we are looking for NQ today on a possible gap fill from the market open gap and then a tank to the downside. At least that's what I'm seeing. Man, gold does really not look any healthy. I'm most likely going to aim, if we break below 5,000 for today, I'm probably gonna aim for 4,900. That's like the target that I would be watching if I were to short gold. No, don't mute me. Just mute the Discord stream from Father. Great. All right, let's see. What are your guys' opinion on the market? Any plans for today? Drop them in chat. Aspect gonna sell gold. Wake down at open, then up. Full port oil. What? We don't full port here. Jehovah, that actually sounds like the average berry trade. Also, guys, make sure that you go to the hashtag announcement channel and slap some emojis on that announcement. Let's show them people that we are in here to make fucking bank. All right, 2 minutes till open. Be careful. Have no positions open, because it's gonna be a shit show. We might even be thinking about possibly making a role for everyone in the stream today that survived the market crash. Once again, we already have the futures collapse. Now we're gonna have the market crash collapse. Maybe. We will see. But we need those reactions on the announcement so we can see who can get the role and who doesn't. If we do that. Because that's only a thing only the people in the stream get to.
Right, here we go. It's about to be showtime. Is everyone fucking ready?
I am not. Help?
Your handmade meme is an emoji. We'll have to check it. Okay, okay. Hi there. Wait a sec on this.
Nasdaq going up.
Yeah, I want to see us. I want to see us clear up here.
Yeah.
I want to see us clear up here and break like the entire structure that we've been in today. So if we can get that, then this is probably a really obvious long.
I'm gonna just drop into a small long here. I want to catch the move.
Yep.
They're holding back orders right now.
Yes, they sure the fuck are. Oh my god. Entering small long. All right, I'm in. I'm in.
Target is going to be 630 for me.
I do not have a stop right now
Me neither.
because I am green. I'm green on the day. And I am chilling and waiting.
Yo, hey, watch what you're saying. I'm gonna liquidate you later on.
You hear that? He said he wants to lick you. You fucking weirdo. He said he wants to lick him. He said, hey, come over here. I'm gonna lick you. That's a weird thing to say, bro.
I said liquidate.
You said lick. You said, oh God, baby, come over here. Let me lick you. Blah, 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 blah.
Ew.
Yeah,
That's
dude, what a
fucking
fucking
insane.
weirdo, bro. They didn't. They're not coming in here to hear you say that. I don't want to hear you say things about licking.
Ew.
What kind of fucking weirdo are you, man? Jeez, fucking. Blah, 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 blah.
Lower your voice in my presence if you trade pre-market, dude.
Lower my presence. This fucking guy. Hey, are you still long?
Yeah.
Is it wrong to be long?
No.
No, not right now. Maybe we'll see. We'll see. We're gonna figure out in a minute. I'm gonna add a little bit more to my position. All right, there we go.
I at least want to see a stable 24,500 before I add.
Yeah, I added a little bit. We'll see what happens here.
You know how it goes. The more you add, the further down it goes.
Yeah, of course.
That's a setup.
US 30 is starting to find some real support here, it seems. Big wicks. Ugh. NASDAQ, don't do me like that.
I placed a stop at 420.
Yeah, that's probably where I'm going to have to put mine.
And did it get filled?
I'm going to set my stop at 415.
My stop did not get filled. That's funny as fuck.
Well, my stop is set at 415. So we'll see what happens from here. Because it's been a wild morning already. I'd really like to see this come back up. just got to hold through some fucking bullshit, or it'll come down and we'll get stopped out. I mean, we'll see. We'll see what happens. We got a nice big explosive move up. We're holding this as support. Like this feels pretty good. You know, it's a little bit dicey today, but you know, we kind of expected that there'd be a lot of volatility and a lot of crazy movement today, right? I mean, we were talking about it all through fucking pre-market.
Barely.
Oh shit, Hehe's a fucking legend. He's been long since 2 minutes before open. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, KXY making some moves here. Let's see how we react to this point of control. That's going to be really telling.
Yeah. It's not looking good.
It's not looking great. No. But, you know, we'll see what happens.
Oh, man.
All right. Test number 2. Can we test?
Just give me a God candle now.
Everybody prays for the God candle, but no one wants to be the God candle.
That's the wrong side, Nasdaq. What the fuck are you doing? That's the Doom candle.
That is the Doom candle. I'm stopped out. That's fine.
All right. No, you don't say anything about any bullish moves anymore, okay?
You don't say anything.
Now, every time you enter, the market goes down.
Well, that means I just need to enter short then.
Yes.
I mean, not here, but you know, soon in a minute. I feel like US 30, the bottom's about to fall out of that fucking thing. I love how we have the meme of Pam Bondi talking about the Dow at 50,000 and now it's at, you know, under 47. I think that's really fucking funny.
Oh boy.
Shouldn't full port fucking anything.
No?
No. With that being said, though, I think I am going to just short US 30 here. Give it a sec. We're so close. We're so close to the short. We just got to wait for that confirmation. Here we go. Okay, there's some big resting buy order right around here. We'll see if this this bearish momentum is enough to eat through it and knock us down.
I placed a stop order for
entering small short on US 30 here.
At 324.
All right, filled.
Short.
We got our fill at 871.
I think I'm gonna just write this one out. This is massive. If US 30 drops below this, like...
Yeah, no, it could be huge. I'm setting stop at 9:15. Yes, I know that is a really, really big stop.
I'm also using a hell of a wide stop. I want to hold this position.
You have to use wide stops on days like this. You have no choice. That's why we take small positions, though, right? Right? We're showing some real fucking weakness on US 30. So, there we go. Come on, move down further. I know you want to take that value area low. Oh my god.
Also on NASDAQ.
How jumpy it is.
Yeah, also on NASDAQ, keep the level 324 in check. I placed a stop order for that.
This is why we're using a wide ass stop. You see these big jumpy fucking moves? This thing is crazy. YM is crazy today. There we go. That's what we want to see.
All right, die.
Moving stop to break even at 871.
Yeah.
We can move it into profit. 855.
This is completely busted.
I am going to move my stop down to 815 here. Stopped out. I'm out. That was a good trade. 871 to 815. There we go. I don't think that the bottom is in yet. So let's see what happens next.
I'm still holding the short.
Oh, I had to take my gains there. I had to take my gains.
Understandable.
I took my gains at 15. I can always re-enter right here. But I wanted to walk away with my win.
It's
Feels a good
fine.
win.
It's fine.
It's fine.
I'm not judging you.
It's fine. Hey guys, this is a safe space. It's a judgment-free zone. Don't worry. No one's judging you. No, I'm just kidding. There's tons of judgment. There's a potential little tweezer bottom here, you know. That's what we like to call these, with the two big wicks to the downside. We'll see if it ends up being a true bottom. I really think that there's more downside to go. I think that we just have to fuck around a little bit, maybe come up and test this value area low, and then I think that there's more downside. So, you know, hold your horses. Just wait. NASDAQ is edging on a massive breakdown and failure.
Yeah, I just took profits on US 30 here at the value area low.
Hell yeah, brother. Good job. It's funny, the value area low. That's where I'm thinking about entering another short if we can reject off of this.
Nah, it just shifted on my end.
Yeah, no, that's not happening. Not right now. That's okay. You just keep fucking doing your thing, Dow. We'll wait on you. No, don't be in any kind of rush. No, we'll wait on you. We'll wait on you so we can short you back down into the fucking ground. Again. what a beautiful day to be green. What a beautiful day to be green when everyone else is getting chopped the fuck out. Just watching NASDAQ here to see if we could break structure on all of this. See if we could break structure on all of that.
I just want to see Nasdaq die. Just go down, like, why is it even up?
It could happen. Look at the dojis. Well, you know, it says it's up, but it's not really up, right? Like, it's still gapped way the fuck down. So
yeah, I know.
It's still not up. Like, it's green technically, but it's not up, right? Like, it's way the fuck down. That gap down was huge.
By the way, I'm entering a small short on gold.
I'm entering NASDAQ short. All right, filled. 322. And stop is going to be up here at 355. Oh my god.
Man.
Wow. These scam artists. These motherfuckers.
Ugly.
This is why we take small positions, and we can always add to them later. You know, take a few lots or contracts. If it's going your way, you can add. Yeah, that one was goofy. That was a crazy fucking candle. They faked me out. They got me.
I'm about to enter another US30 short here, possibly.
I mean, with that big wick to the upside, I don't blame you. I am kind of just waiting to see what happens here.
Yeah, I'm short.
Yeah, it's looking pretty bearish. Give it a sec. Give it just a second. Let's see what happens. Entering small short.
All right, now I can take profits.
This fucking guy. Filled at 829. No stop yet. Might end up setting a stop up here at 880. I'm just gonna wait.
Nasdaq just doesn't want to die.
Neither does US 30. It's so close to death. All right, I'm getting out. I'm out. Jesus Christ. That was wild.
I think we gotta do a power hour later on.
Might have to do the power hour later on. Well, usually there are a little bit more clear signals that are coming through Kushal. But yes, generally this is what we're doing is we're looking for the big breaks of structure. We're utilizing our heat map. We're watching the delta, seeing if buyers or sellers have dominance, right? And we're just taking very, very small trades, right? Because these bigger swings, right? These bigger swings are for, you know, equities and options. To be so honest with you. Oh damn! Look at that. Had the right intuition. Just a bad entry.
I had my entry at 839 on US 30 and held through all that shit.
Yeah, I exited before it got any worse.
I might enter a short here on NASDAQ as well.
It's so fucking close, dude. But it's these things are trading in a massive range right now. Like,
yeah, it's ugly.
I think if anything, I'd want to try to see if it can get up here and enter a short.
All right, I'm going to reposition my stop at 860 on US 30.
I'm entering short again.
Right.
All right, I'm filled.
Short on US 30 is now break even.
I entered a small short on US 30 again. Kind of testing the water, seeing what's happening.
No, man, Emma, oh my days. Emma, I have to take profits here.
This fucking guy.
I think we're good. Just got a little scared here.
We're okay. We're okay.
Come on, give me some.
How am I stop at 800?
I'm readjusting my stop to 800. So your entry. Entering short here on NASDAQ. Insanely small position. Not even noticeable.
All right, guys, and what we are waiting on again is we want some continued downside. We have our stop set up at the top of these wicks, and it just got fucking hit. Holy shit! This market is volatile today.
Yes, sir. But I took profits at the value area low.
Oh, yeah. I'm just sitting and waiting.
Imagine telling someone in 2016 that we will have this price action.
Wouldn't even believe you back then. To be honest, wouldn't even believe you.
Dog. Do I re-enter here? I think I do. Re-entered short on US 30 here.
I think so. Yep. All right, I'm in. I think so. I think so. And no more of this break-even bullshit. You fucking die for me now, Dow.
I'm gonna take profits. Yeah.
Yep. All right, I'm out.
A quick in and out.
That's what we're gonna have to do today.
You look at this.
Fucking start to cook, dude. Holy shit. You're gonna have to fucking bring out the range trading strategies.
If this price action keeps going over the entire day, I might just cry.
Shit, I'll just walk away.
I mean, I'm already like good in profits for today, so I don't really care.
We're so
Also,
close.
I'm still holding my
Back.
short from 321 on Nasdaq. Was just about to say.
All right, I am in. I'm in. Fucking stupid. This is crazy.
There ain't no fucking way.
They're holding back orders.
If this shit is gonna stop me out just because you entered, man.
Oh, that's definitely not what it is.
It is. You can't tell me.
I'm not adding enough liquidity to these charts for it to do that.
Alright, I'm just stopped out. God damn.
I'm still holding. I'm still holding because this price action has been super scammy.
Scammy is not even a word. That's a whole ass fucking Indian Microsoft support.
I don't like that. Like, we're running into a decent bit of sell pressure, but man. Yeah, cooked. That's literally what's been happening to me all day too. Why do you think I'm just trading super small lots right now with no fucking stop? It's because I don't want to get stopped out by dumb shit. Because that kept happening. I'm adding a little to my short here. There we go. If we get up here, I'll add a little bit more. We're just going to average in a little bit, scaling in slowly.
Are you still in Nasdaq short?
Mm-hmm. I sure am. I'm about
When
to
did
not
you
be,
enter?
though. My average price is 340 right now.
Ew.
Yeah, I know. That's only because I added another lot up here. Honesty is pretty good at this point of control.
Dude. Cook,
Do it.
what are you even doing? $70 away from daily drawdown.
Holy shit. That is scary.
Severely cooked, if not even cremated.
Come on. Drop for me. Drop for me.
Well, why would you trade Asia session?
I almost never do. Every once in a great while I do.
I must sneak us a small short here on US 30.
I am like almost flipping green. Like I keep flipping green as we come down to the bottom of this candle on my short. I've held through so much. I feel like I've aged a year in this one trade. I feel like I've aged a fucking year. There we go. Come on, give me more. Give me more. Give me the downside. Give me the downside without the scammy upside, please.
Man.
There we go. I was almost half considering setting my stop at break even right there just so I can get the fuck out of this trade. But I feel like there's some genuine weakness showing right now. I've held through so much shit.
Got a neat little rejection here from the point of control. Let's hope this keeps going.
Like there is a lot of sell pressure happening right now. I'm watching the book too. Like there's a lot of fucking sell pressure happening right now. It's just a matter of waiting this stupid shit out. Oh, fuck.
What is that?
I'm out. I'm out. Jesus Christ. This is crazy.
Well, and we don't even have news today.
This is literally just manipulation to shake liquidity out of people. And it's fucking working. This is choppy as fuck, man.
I think we gotta do the power hour later on, like, for real.
Yeah, we might have to do power hour.
Because this is barely tradable.
I don't even like trading it. Like, I don't like any of this at all.
For me to do anything, I want to see the extremes here. Either breaking 24,515 on Nasdaq to the upside, or going down to below
to
306.
below like to like 24 286.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, me too.
because if nothing of this happens, I'm not gonna enter anything anymore.
Yeah, today is about self-preservation right now.
I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm still green. But I want to stay it.
Yeah, I was about to. I know. That's what I'm saying. It's about self-preservation. Got to make sure that you're keeping yourself safe. I am going to be waiting for major breakouts here, because I don't like any of this price action. I do not like it. Yeah, the choppy markets are definitely difficult to trade. Like just in general, it's difficult to trade. Massive chop. Oh my God, is it finally happening for US 30?
What the
Entering
fuck?
short. Entering short US 30.
This doesn't look healthy.
All right, I'm in.
I have a whole bunch of red alarms going off right now that I shouldn't enter this.
I'm in. So. Already have my stop set to fucking break even. Because I entered and it just kept going. So, stop set at 671. And hopefully we don't go back to my entry. And if we do, oh well, then I guess I'll sit and I'll wait. But this seems like a really big decisive move, and that's what I want to trade.
Great, Nasdaq is just back in the point of consolidation.
I don't know, I'm just short US 30 right now. I think this is a pretty clear break of structure, so. I managed to get in at the very ass end of that candle. Oh God, that was so close to stopping me. Yeah, I managed to get in right at the bottom of this very, very crazy candle. I couldn't catch it while it was really happening because it just, I wasn't quick enough. I'm stopped out. Stopped out, break even. Jeez, man. That's a phenomenal question. Is what was that? Am I tripping? We don't have news today, do we? There's no Fed news, nothing like that?
There is nothing. There's only a Trump speech later on.
Yeah, who knows what the fuck that's gonna do. Usually he comes out, he opens his mouth and the market tanks because they know something stupid's about to come out. Fucking individual assets are blood red today. Except for Sing. Sing is very green.
Damn, this price action is awful. Nothing is moving.
That's why on US 30, the second that it went down here, I was like, fuck it, break even, stop at break even, like just right self preservation today. Yo, literally, Garrick, literally. Something crazy is gonna be said, and I know that because whenever he talks, something crazy is being said. Yeah, today's been a tough day, unnamed. I mean, hell, we had a tough day on one of the days last week too. I don't remember which day it was, but there was one day that was really tough. I'd have to go look at my little journal, but I know that I ended red one day yesterday. Like green on the week overall, but I know I was red on one day.
Yeah, last week when we had this fuck ass consolidation where the market didn't move an inch.
It might have been Friday. Oh no, you know what? It was Tuesday.
Actually, I thought it was the Wednesday.
I think it was Tuesday. I don't know. My journal's not next to me right now.
I can only recall that we said like Wednesdays are usually ass in price action, and then it happened.
Wednesdays can be a little bit ass in price action.
I might jump into some shorts on Nasdaq here.
It's fucking close. It's super fucking close.
All right, I guess not.
That's how I feel. Like every time that I think that there's a trade that I'm about to take, it just starts doing the opposite. And I'm like, all right, well, never mind.
I didn't want to do anything anyway. Good shit, Pip.
Good shit, Pip. Yo, Garrick, that's literally what it's gonna be. Bay of Pigs sounds like a good place to eat, but our pigs are better, and we have to show them. Best bays, best pigs you've ever tasted. No other pigs are better. Our pigs just keep winning. These people need our pigs.
Damn.
I know you guys can't see me, but I had my hands doing the little, you know, thumb and index connected with the three fingers, and you move them out. You do the Trump dance where he looks like he's just jerking two dicks off. Bro, I'm serious. Have you not seen him dance?
I do.
That's what it looks like. You just like slowly move your hips and you do like the double skiing, bro.
I think the market is about to fucking collapse here.
Dude, I've been like waiting for it to. But every time that I go short, it just fucking runs back up against me.
Alright, let me pre-run the market. You don't enter and I might just enter short.
Entering small short on NASDAQ here.
Oh fuck. Longing NASDAQ here. Nah, just kidding.
Wait. I got my thumb hovering over the button. Just wait.
Oh, you set the market up.
Just
genius.
Wait. Oh, well, I'm just waiting. I'm just
You're
waiting.
a genius.
I'm so it's so close. I just want to see a little bit more. All right, I'm in.
Can't believe the shit that we're doing here.
I'm in at 325 on a short.
Now, Barry, you're a gambler, a severe gambler. You're not the inside trader.
Stop's going to be up at 345.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. I'm stopped out. All right, I am thinking that I am done trading for the day because this fucking choppiness is awful. I am not a fan. Not a fan at all. It's funny because I'm watching like all of the individual assets like bleed out. Like literally everything is blood red, man. Aside from a few things. And yet these markets don't want to fucking die. These indices are just surviving against all odds. Like we're super fucking bearish.
Yeah, no, I'm done. I'm just calling it a day here.
I think it might be time to do so. Because things are not going my way today. So. If things aren't going my way, then I want to walk the fuck away.
Yo, Pip, as far as I'm concerned, if you were in that like short still, then it's probably going against you right now.
Yeah, literally, Seth. So Seth, you and I have very, very similar days right now. Okay? Where it's like it's not even noteworthy to mention like the change today. Like I am in that same boat. This has been a crazy fucking day. This has been a crazy fucking day. Yep, it is what it is. All we can do is survive, right? Yep. All right. Well, we are gonna have another free stream tomorrow. So hop in. Hopefully, we'll have some better price action and get to take some more clear trades because today, we had a bunch of stupid shit we had to go through and deal with. So, yeah, keep your eyes peeled for that. We'll see if we get some better price action towards the end of the day, and maybe we'll do a little power hour stream as well. So let's kind of see how all of that goes first. And everyone, make sure that you're taking very small positions today. Stay safe. Remember that is our first goal. And I will catch you all in just a bit. I will catch you all in just a bit. But I think that this will be the place to call it before we flip into like deep red here. because this is some goofy shit. All right, guys. Catch you in just a bit. See ya. Thank you so much. And keep your eyes peeled in case we do Power Hour.
And don't overtrade, guys.
Don't overtrade. That's why I'm stepping away, is to not overtrade. So don't overtrade. All right, guys. Catch you later.
Cheers. See ya.